Introducing Promptmate's Market Trend Analysis Template. Your one-stop solution to uncover market trends for any industry term. First, visit trends.google.com and search for an industry term you're interested in. Once you have decided whether you're interested in topics or queries, download the CSV file of the search results. Now let's edit the CSV so that we can use it on Promptmate as an input. So go ahead and remove the rows, shown here in this video. Also remove the row titled Rising and the empty row above it. Next, remove the second column and only keep the keywords column. Then, go ahead and download the file as a CSV. Then go on Promptmate and click Use Template. Next, switch to CSV Input and upload the CSV file you just downloaded. Then, click Bulk Run. Once the results are ready, go ahead and download them. You will see that Promptmate is able to analyze search volume trends for the provided industry terms using Bing Ads and Google Ads data to identify emerging market trends. You will also be able to view the search volume for each keyword, thanks to Promptmate's Google Ads and Bing Ads data extenders. Thanks to Google Trends and this Promptmate's template, you can easily analyze market trends in any industry. You are also able to uncover search volume trends for industry terms. For more information, visit promptmate.io. The only tool you need to skip to the finish line.